She was a beautiful lady, not only in my eyes, but in many people's eyes. She was well known all over the county. She was a homecoming queen. She was the kind of person just people loved to be around. Mother looked forward to seeing them every day. Treasure Coast Hospice gave us that time because we knew that Mom was going to have the best of care. They took time out on their own time to come by and do special little things for her. Like her makeup, she was always particular about her makeup and her hair. They weren't only there just for Mom, they were there for our whole family, each one of us individually. One of the great things about Treasure Coast Hospice was the way they kept us informed about everything going on every minute. Dr. Anderson was a great person. He came by and he sat with us like just a very good friend would, and explained to us in layman's terms where we could all understand what was going on. You just don't find people that are as caring and loving as they were. They loved us just, I think, as much as we loved them. They've called me 8 months later after Mom passed away, however long it takes. They're there to counsel you. They're there during the grieving process. And if it hadn't been for hospice, I probably wouldn't have been where I'm at now. There's no words to describe what Treasure Coast Hospice is worth to somebody.